Just left the car park, bleach green car park, heading down to the lake called Ennerdale Waters. Let's walk along this trail, not too far from the car park. I'm going to try and walk around the edge of the lake, see how far I can get. Just having a little break, having a cup of tea. I'm just around the lake. Got a time lapse going. Nice cup of tea. Look at the views, lovely views. Head up around the corner now, see what it's like around there. Can't believe I'm the only person around here. I've seen about 3 people since I've been here. A bit easier on my feet than yesterday. My feet were killing me yesterday after that walk. After up Star Hill, Star Head Tarn. Wish I didn't have arthritis in my feet. Plod along. Fighter planes. Comes another one. planes are going across the back there now, across the mountains there. Right, the place I'm at now is called Robin Hood Chair, where I'm standing. Hello, all the sheep have come down from the hill. Go that way, go that way. That's it. Meh. Bad impression of the sheep. As long as you go that way, it's fine. Don't charge at me. Go on then. Oh, a little lamb on there. No, no, no. Come on then. That's it. Nearly back to the car now. Oh, it's getting dark. Oh, my foot then. Oh, that killed me. I put my feet through some punishment. Well, I'm back in the car. So ending my video here. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to here, if you want to subscribe, that'd be good for the channel. I'll see you in the next video.